You are not the person you were 10 years ago. Not metaphorically, not philosophically. Literally, physically, biologically. Every single atom that made up your body a decade ago, your bones, your blood, your brain, has been replaced, swapped out, recycled. The matter that once was you is now scattered across the food you ate, the air you breathed, the ground beneath your feet. You are a completely different physical entity than the child in your earliest memory. So who are you exactly? Your body is not a fixed object, it is a process. A river looks the same from the bridge every morning, but the water flowing beneath is never the same water. Your body works exactly like this, constantly replacing itself, constantly becoming something new while maintaining the illusion of continuity. Your red blood cells live for about 120 days, then they die and are replaced entirely. Your skin replaces itself every 2 to 3 weeks. The surface you're touching right now didn't exist a month ago. Your liver, one of the most complex organs in your body, completely replaces itself every 150 to 500 days. Even your bones, which feel permanent and structural, replace themselves entirely over 10 years. The only exceptions are a handful of neurons in specific brain regions and the lens cells in your eyes, which you are born with and keep for life. Everything else gets replaced. Everything. Ancient Greek philosophers had a thought experiment called the Ship of Theseus. A famous ship is preserved in a harbor. Over time, each plank that rots is replaced with a new one. After enough years, every single plank has been replaced. Is it still the same ship? You are the Ship of Theseus. Not as a metaphor, as a physical fact. The question that has haunted philosophers for thousands of years: what makes something the same thing over time? Your body answers every single day without asking for permission. Here is where it gets genuinely strange. If your physical matter is completely replaced, what exactly is continuous? What is the thread connecting the infant in your baby photos to the person reading this right now? The answer appears to be information, pattern, structure. Your body doesn't just randomly replace cells, it replaces them according to a precise blueprint. Your DNA carries the instructions. Your brain carries the memories, the habits, the personality patterns accumulated over a lifetime. You are not your matter, you are the pattern your matter takes. Which raises an even stranger question. If the pattern is what matters, not the matter itself, then theoretically, a perfect copy of your pattern would be you. The same memories, the same personality, the same fears and loves and contradictions. Would that copy be you, or a different person who merely believes they are you? What this actually means: you have already survived multiple complete physical replacements. The you that exists right now is the latest version of a pattern that has been running continuously since the moment you were born, updating, adapting, losing old cells and building new ones according to instructions written in a language older than human civilization. Death, in the cellular sense, is not the end of you. It is how you continue. Every version of you that has died has been replaced by a slightly newer version. Until one day, the pattern can no longer maintain itself. And the replacement stops.